You ready for this? This is to keep the sun out of your face. Oh, don't you look good.
Okay, let's go, Doodle. Hey, Daffy. Well, slow down. Daphne. Hey.
That's so good. You gotta leave them on. They protect your eyes from the sun.
You look hilarious.
I got him. There we go. Look at that.